now, your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good morning. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kyle Keel. Threat trackers in the yellow today. We just want you to be aware of some light snow potential, especially as we head into the evening and overnight hours. But by daybreak tomorrow, that snow will come to an end and we'll have decreasing clouds here throughout the day on Halloween. Then as we head into Friday, another day with a mostly cloudy sky with a few flurries, maybe a brief rain or snow shower. For today, overall, the chance for light snow during the daytime is pretty low. We'll have a band develop potentially in our northern and northwestern counties. Temperatures, however, will be on the cold side in the middle 30s. Keep a northwest wind at 5 to 15. It's after 4 or 5 o'clock that we do start to see the main snow band set up, especially in our southeastern half of the viewing area. All of us dip down into the 20s overnight, so it'll be a little cooler than the last snow event. So there could be a few slick spots on the roads as you're waking up tomorrow morning. Go ahead and time the snow out with future tracks. Starting at 8 o'clock this morning, you'll notice we will have a mostly cloudy sky. Most of the heavier rain and snow off to our southeast into portions of Illinois. But notice we're starting to see that snow set up here off to the west. That could potentially get into our northern counties here by about midday. But notice it's not terribly widespread and it's generally just a light swath of snow. Not expecting any travel impacts, no accumulation out of that. Watch as we head from noon to 5. We start to see that main snow band begin to take shape here as our system really develops and gets a little bit stronger off to our south. We'll certainly be on the backside, so any moisture will be in the form of some snow. The snow really gets going in our southeastern counties here during the overnight hours. Heaviest snow will stay off to the east of the Mississippi River, but notice off to the northwest on this northwest side of the system, it's a very sharp cutoff on areas that see snow and areas that might just end up with a few flurries. But the snow is going to continue through the overnight hours. By the time you head out the door here early tomorrow morning, I would say from Dubuque down to Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, Williamsburg, and Sigourney, probably a few lingering snow showers. So there could be a few impacts on the roads here early tomorrow morning. And then as we head throughout the day, that system will pull away and that will leave us with some sunshine in the afternoon. And then by the time we head into the evening for trick-or-treaters, things will be dry, but maybe have to be trudging through a little bit of snow as we have snowfall totals anywhere from 1 to 3 inches in our southeastern hometowns. So this does include Dubuque down to Cedar Rapids and Williamsburg, Iowa City, Washington, all in that 1 to 3 inch range. The closer you live to the Mississippi River, at least in the southern half of the viewing area, that's where we have the better chance for that closer to 2 or 3 inches of snow. Trace to 1 inch, including Harpers Ferry, Elkader, Oelwein, Independence, and Waterloo down toward Tama. And then again, Decorah, New Hampton, perhaps down to Parkersburg, little in the way of any snow accumulation. As I mentioned, most of that snow should be out of here by tomorrow morning. We'll be left with a mostly clear sky throughout the afternoon and early evening. Temperatures will be close to 30 degrees by trick-or-treat time tomorrow, falling into the upper 20s. So yes, it's going to have to be one of those years where we bundle the kids up because it is going to be very cold. But normally we should be in the 40s and 50s. City-by-city forecast shows that snow ending early tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the middle 30s for daytime highs. So this will probably end up in the top 5 coldest Halloweens on record across eastern Iowa. As we head into Friday, notice it's a mostly cloudy sky. I did put in a few flurries. Some of the data suggesting maybe a couple light rain or snow showers, but not expecting any impact out of that system. We'll have temperatures near 40 degrees on Friday and Saturday, mid-40s potentially here on Sunday as we turn those clocks back as daylight saving time ends. We'll be in the mid-40s to start the work week next week with a slight chance for rain.